Life sciences and bioinformatics involves both the research side and the practical side of gathering information about people and their health. On the research side, of course, genomics is huge. There's tremendous terabyte-sized databases of genetic information. And on the practical side, there's a lot of imaging that goes on right now. A lot of people don't realize that if you go to, say, an urgent care center and get an X-ray, the radiologist may be on the other side of the world. And of course, with research, there are collaborators all over the world in many different nations, many different continents, all sharing data. And that data is very, very large. You get an MRI or even just an X-ray, that's a huge amount of data that has to be moved quickly. Your doctor says, we're going to have a lab result for you tomorrow. Well, that means that data has to go probably to the other side of the world overnight and then back again in order to get that analysis done quickly. So we're able to provide an acceleration component to that to ensure reliability, ensure that the data happens in that window of opportunity to make those promises happen. One of our early customers for the Expedat software was the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, which hosts tremendously large databases of genetic information. And the challenges for them were that they had researchers around the world who needed to request gigabytes, sometimes terabytes of data. They would go into the database and they would pull out specific custom subsets of that data and need to download it. And so they needed to provide a way for those data sets to be transferred, sometimes routinely, sometimes on short notice, that was going to take full advantage of the research-sized pipelines that these people had at their various institutions. And that was something that FTP or Secure FTP just simply couldn't keep up with. So we were able to provide them with the infrastructure to build underneath their existing web-based gateway where researchers could come in, pick the data, and then receive a package that they would download using our technology.